Hello episodes, this is my third restoration project, this time with Suzuki Samurai. We are in unboxing videos, part 10, side stand, handle grips, fuel filters and hoses. And this is the side stand from Honda brand. It comes for Shine and Unicorn and the pricing is rupees 133 without nut, bolt and spring assembly. If you want that, it would cost around 170 to 180 rupees and I plan to buy Yamaha Libera one because that is the longest one and most of them use for RX 100, but the mounting is an issue there. Here if you see the mounting for the spring comes at the rear, whereas in Libero it comes at the front for all Yamaha series, and nothing special about this, and this is a bit longer when compared to the original one, so I bought this one. And I'm planning to mount the same nut bolt and spring assembly. I had to do some minor modification for the spring. And second one, this is the handlebar grips. It is from NV brand, Bangalore based company. It cost me around 72 rupees. It is clearly mentioned that this is suitable for AX100R, but the shop owner said that it would suit for Samurai also, but there was an issue. So if you're planning to buy this one, don't buy this one. Instead go for a package where the Samurai is written. And I did some work, but it didn't fit it well. And this is the filter. This one cost me around 35 rupees, and the original one, like the big one, like 100 ml I think, it costs around 90 rupees. And then the fuel hoses will cost you 20 rupees each. And at one end it is upsized and another one it is normal. You can see the difference. The upsized will come near the filter, and while mounting you have to make sure you're mounting in the same right direction, because it comes with an arrow that has to be pointing upwards. That's all for this, and see you in next video like this.